Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You found the Google image you want. Start by opening it full screen in Safari or Chrome on your iPhone. Once the image is visible, tap and hold, or use the share button and save it to Photos. This ensures full resolution. Make sure the image looks correct in Photos before continuing. If cropping or rotation is needed, do that now using Edit. Once done, proceed to the Wallpaper steps so the phone will render it properly. Now go to Settings and choose Wallpaper, then add New Wallpaper. Select the photo from your library. You'll see preview controls. Pinch to zoom and drag to position so critical parts aren't hidden by icons or widgets. Choose Still or Live depending on the image and iPhone model. Live works only with live photos. After adjusting, tap Set and decide Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both. This applies the image with correct pixel handling. Finish by locking the phone and checking both lock and home screens to confirm placement and clarity. If the image appears blurry or overly cropped, go back to Photos, resave at full resolution or crop to a 9:16 ratio before retrying. This preserves sharpness. If the wallpaper won't apply, restart your iPhone and ensure iOS is up to date. Permissions for Photos can also block access, so grant the Settings app permission to Photos if prompted. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.